One is precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. There's multiple. But it encompasses at least 4 or 5 different sorts of situational irony and verbal. From a philosophical perspective, we're looking at mental disorders from a psychological perspective. We're looking at it's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men drive. But subliminals in and of itself, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
It's to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. What determines momentum? What determines sarcasm, condescension, and all these sort of devices?
Rhetorical devices is the power of persuasion. Things like irony.